Controller drift can be frustrating, but it can often be fixed with a few simple steps. Follow this guide to address controller drift in FIFA 24. Step 1. Identify the drift. Check if your controller is experiencing drift by moving the joystick in a neutral position and observing if the character moves on its own. This will confirm that the drift issue exists. Step 2. Clean the joystick. Turn off the controller and use compressed air or a soft cloth to clean around the joystick. Dust and debris can cause drift, so ensure the area is free from any obstructions. Step 3. Calibrate the controller. Connect your controller to the console or PC and access the settings menu. Look for the controller calibration option and follow the on-screen instructions to recalibrate the joystick. Step 4. Update controller firmware. Check for any available firmware updates for your controller. Connect it to the console or PC and navigate to the settings to update the firmware, which can help resolve drift issues. Step 5. Test the controller. After cleaning, calibrating, and updating, test the controller in FIFA 24 to see if the drift has been resolved. If the issue persists, consider seeking professional repair or replacement. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift effectively. If problems continue, it may be time to look into a new controller.